Right, so we just pulled up outside a beautiful farmhouse. Now we're here to have a look at the shower valve, so let's get cracking with that. But first, just very quickly, if you want to get yourself a Plumfest t-shirt, there is a link below. So you donate £10, that's what that is. £10 donation, you get a free t-shirt. So that's what that is. So 100% of that will go to Mind. So yes, quick merch plug before we start. Right, so let's just bring up the whole tool bag, so then I'm not making multiple trips. Right, so there's our shower cartridge that we need to fit. Looked inside of it, if you can find the instructions. There you go. So, already asked the customer where it is. And there's the shower pump. So, isolate it. I'm going to turn off the isolation valves. Right, so the part we're replacing is at the bottom. So that is going to be hot, cold. That's going to be on off. Should be. There we go. Turn off the pump light. Okay, so we need a little flat-headed screwdriver. And that is going to go up inside of there. Got it. There we go. Put that to one side. Right, so instructions have got to go then back and find another sheet where it carries on. So that one there is actually, well, it turns out that one's 2mm hex key. Put that in there. I never take these all the way out, if I can. Okay. So, turns out this just pries off. Gentle. Come on. There we go. That doesn't look like that. But often with manufacturers they change the material, so it could still be the same part. Right, so that's a 3mm hex. There you go, take that off. Right, so how much am I going to struggle with this? Oh, easy. Start right. Lovely. I really don't know if it's just me getting old, but I had to go off and get the kneel mat. It's my knees. Oh, killing. Now, unlike a lot of shower cartridges, there doesn't seem to be any direction to this. So you haven't really got to worry about what's hot, what's cold. Some of them you have to make sure you get them in the right way, but spin that. Really don't want to over tighten this. So that's how much pressure I'm putting on. Not a lot. That will do. I can't remember now if up is off. Good thing I'll record everything. Right, so just realised there is no handheld. This will be fun. Let's just turn it on. This one. No, we want that one, don't we? Cold. Colder. Is that warm? That's warm. Right, so I very politely asked the customer, can I use that towel? He's only getting wet feet. Oh. Just put this back together. Right, so first off, tighten this up. Oh, hello. There we are. Let's put this back on. I'll take that off first, you don't. Oh, that's nice. That feels Now the fun bit is, see this channel in here? Yeah, goes around like this, and this bit here, that lines up. So it can only go so far, it can only go like a quarter of a turn, so you need to keep turning this, then putting this on, adjusting it to the right temperature. Always make sure you grease up your ring.